Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be priming my face with this Smashbox purple primer. I'm not sure on the name of it, but it is the bomb. It makes your skin feel like you have zero pores. It's actually amazing. So we're just going to blend that into our skin to get a really nice base, and then we can start applying our foundation. So I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender and my Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and I am in the color 120. So I'm just going to dump that all over my face and work it into my skin to get a really nice, full coverage, flawless base. So we're just going to blend. Yes. Now I'm going to be taking my Tarte concealer. This is the Shape Tape. It's in, I think, light, and I'm just dotting that on the high points of my face and underneath my eyes to cancel out those dark circles, because honey, they're dark. So I'm just going to blend that in, and also going over my lids. And then I'm going to take this Tarte, I think this is like the Tarteist Liquid Glow. I got it as like a freebie from Sephora, and it is the best thing ever. It literally gives you a highlight that just is beaming. Come on, like, are you serious? Are you serious? I just love it. Yes. Then I take what's ever left on my Beauty Blender and do that on the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow. Now I'm just going to set underneath my eyes with my Mercier translucent setting powder. That's a mouthful. And I'm only just doing that right underneath my eye. It looks like I'm putting it on top of the highlight, but I'm not. And then I did a little bit on my forehead just because it gets a little oily. And then we're done. Now I'm moving on to eyes. As usual, my Morphe 35O palette, which is good and loved. We're going to be taking a combination of these lighter brown shades and work those into our crease. And I'm doing the windshield wiper motions and keeping it in the hollow points of my eye. And then I'm going to start to flick it out. So I'm going to use those two color combinations until I get the darkness of the color I want. And we're blending it further into the inner 1/3 of our eyeball, just so we have a really browned and smoked out look. Then I'm going to taking this warm brown color and blending that. Ooh, it's a little blurry. Okay, I'm good. Blending that into the crease. So I'm angling my brush so it's really deep in the socket and working it into those first lighter brown shades. And then I am whisking it up and then connecting it with my lower lash line. So I'm taking that same color combination that I used in the past 3 seconds ago and putting that on my lower lash line and making a triangle, shaping it up so we get a really nice cat eye effect, making it long and wispy. And I'm just going to blend out these colors until I think they're blended enough, until I have the color payout as well. I'm going to take a clean blending brush here and just blend out the edges so we have, again, a really smoked out look. Oop, I wanted a little bit more brown. It felt probably a little patchy, but that's okay. Now I'm going to be taking this white champagne shimmer color on my finger. Oh, so pretty every time. And I'm just going to put that on the center of my lid and my inner 1/3 of my eye. And I'm blending that in. I just find it picks up a little bit better on my fingertip than it would on a brush. Now I'm going to take that same brown again and just define a little bit more of the inner crease and inside and the little triangle on the out. Just do it till you get your preferred preferences, more or less what I'm trying to say. And then I'm going to blend it out again because we want it to look like we really didn't try, even though this takes us about 30 minutes to do. Now I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. liner and I'll be right back. So now I have some eyeliner and some brows. We're ready to move on to the next step. So this is my Monsiour Big Lancome mascara. So I'm putting it on the top and bottom lashes, a little bit on the bottom, just because we don't want to look weird. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and then this is in medium light, and I'm just going to be mixing all of these shades together and create some cheekbones that are not defined, but we're going to define them. We're putting that on our forehead, our cheekbones, and then our temples, and then I'm going to take my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil and kind of more bronze it out a little bit. So I'm putting that on top of the cheekbone, not underneath the cheekbone. Bless, bless, bless. And then I am going to take it and put it on the side of my nose as well. So I'm just going to pinch the brush. Yes. Define my nose. Now I'm going to take this Milani Luminoso blush and add it to the apples of my cheeks and up into my highlighter. So it just gives a little bit of warmth. And then I'm going to take my beautiful Smokin Whistles Colourpop highlighter and apply that on top of the liquid highlight, just because we want to blind everybody else around us. Yes, yes, yes. And then down the center of my nose and the Cupid's bow. And then just for extra measures on the top of our brow bone. Now I'm going to be taking this Colourpop Lippie pencil leafing. And this is in the shade Beeper, and we're just going to apply it to our lips. I'm following the natural shape of my lips because I didn't want to go too crazy and overline them excessively. Oopsie. Yes, 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 yes. And then I'm going to be taking this Dermablend setting spray and setting my face. I got this online from Sephora for like 14 bucks. Heyo. Now I'm just going to set it and then brush it down, well, wind it down, if I can find it. Yep, there it is, with my Morphe palette. I should probably find a fan, but this does for now. And then I went one more time, just for extra measures. I did my makeup really early in the day, and I had an event way later that night, so set it in place. Yes, 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 yes. Wind, 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 wind. So extra. So extra. Oh, yes. Okay. Now, this is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and get that holiday glow. This new year, new me shit. We gonna be looking poppin'. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!